Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at our 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. This High Country is featured in a sterling gray metallic paint finish and a night shift blue interior, powered by a 5.3 liter V8 and an automatic transmission. Some of our other features include our alloy wheels, chrome assist steps, a spray-on bed liner, front and rear park assist, a powered sunroof, powered heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, as well as Chevy safety assist, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our night shift blue finish with umber accents, chrome door handle, power locks, our seat memory, power mirrors, as well as power windows, Bose speaker, and storage in the bottom. Just to the left of the steering wheel, we have our electronic parking brake, transfer case settings, as well as all of our lighting, including in-bed lighting. Power driver seat with auto up-down, as well as lumbar. And then we have a night shift blue and umber finish seat with High Country in the headrest. Powered steering column. Getting into the vehicle, we have our full electronic display cluster. Left-hand side is our wiper controls, as well as our adaptive cruise, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. Right-hand side has all of our hands-free, and there's paddle shifters, as well as controls for audio behind. Push to start down to the right. Home and volume controls, as well as power for our infotainment system. Infotainment system has Google built-in, as well as wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Trailering, we have our full surround view camera, as well as much more throughout our screen. Extra storage hidden behind it. Below it, lane keep assist, front and rear park sensor, auto stop start, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, our hill assist, and then a way to put all of our windows down at the same time. Integrated brake controller, part of our trailer tow package. Heated and ventilated driver and passenger seats, USB-C and USB-A on the passenger side, and then dual zone front climate with front and rear defrost. Storage throughout with our shifter in the center. Key fob has a remote start as well as power tailgate. A wireless charger in the bottom of our center console. Center console also finished in our night shift blue. Inside the center console, USB-C, USB-A, 120 volt plug, as well as deep storage. Rear view mirror has auto dimming built in. Above it, OnStar settings, our lighting control, as well as sunroof, 3 universal garage door openers, and then lastly, we have our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Walking down the side of the vehicle, we have our LED headlamps, blackout badging, as well as chrome front bumper and our chrome tow hooks. Chrome badging on the side of the vehicle with our alloy wheel with a Chevrolet center cap. Chrome mirrors, as well as chrome door handles with chrome accents and a chrome step. Near the back of the vehicle, we have our corner steps. On the back, we have Chevrolet etched into our tailgate, as well as Silverado and High Country in chrome. Trailer tow hitch with all of our trailer connections and dual black exhaust. Powered released tailgate, which we can just press and open. In the back of the vehicle, we have in-bed lighting, as well as cable tie downs, and our ChevTech spray-in bed liner. Now into the back of the vehicle, night shift blue finish, as well as wood accents, chrome door handle, power window controls, storage throughout, and a Bose speaker. Inside, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 cup holders in the back of our center console. Heated rear outboard seats, USB-C, USB-A, and our 2 vents. Second row seats, we have our bench finished in our night shift blue. In the center seat, we have our foldable cup holders with some additional storage. Then lastly, we have storage pockets in the back of our seats, and if we lift up on the seats, we also have our storage underneath. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. If you enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.